ఉపాధ్యాయ మిత్రులందరికీ నమస్కారం. Greetings to all of you. As of now, we have excellent and wonderful new textbooks. All these textbooks are prepared according to the APSCF 2011 for the classes from first class to 9th. In this regard, I request all of you to pay your complete attention towards the video programs produced by State Institute of Education Technology, Hyderabad. Try to understand the philosophy of all the new textbooks, methods, techniques of teaching and classroom activities, etc. I also request you to follow and implement them in classroom teaching. Strive very hard to achieve all-round development of all your students in your classroom. Thank you and I wish you all the best.
How are you today?
We are very fine, teacher.
Do you remember what did we do in the previous class?
Yes, teacher.
We learnt about a boy who selected a special puppy. Do you remember?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Now tell me why that puppy was special. Yes, Gazia?
It is slow.
It was very slow. Now you see, even being slow is special. Being fast is also special. Can you tell me some qualities? What makes people special? That make people special. What makes people special? Can you tell me?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Who will tell me? You tell, Samina.
Speed running.
Okay. If anyone runs
Speed.
fast, then he becomes special. Yes, Gazia?
Talk noisily.
Noisily, nicely.
Nicely.
Nicely. Talking noisily also makes special, but it in a different way. Is it not? Would you like to talk nicely or noisily?
Nicely.
Nicely. That's very nice. That's very good. So, people who talk nice are also special. And what else? Sunita, you tell me. What makes people special? Yes, Pavitra?
Friend.
If he or she is a good friend, then they become special.
ఎందుకంటే టీచర్ మా క్లాస్లో ఒక్కటే అందంగా ఉంటుంది టీచర్.
Okay. Because she is beautiful, అందుకని పవిత్ర స్పెషల్గా అనిపిస్తుంది అంట సునీతకి. వెరీ గుడ్. ఇంకా ఎవరైనా చెప్తారా? హూ విల్ టెల్ మీ? ఎస్, సోహెల్.
అదర్ హెల్ప్స్.
If you help others, then even that is special. Do you think helping others is a special quality really?
Yes, teacher.
Yes. Actually, fast running, singing, dancing, beautiful. Even if you have all these qualities, the best quality is helping others, being friendly with others, supporting others. Okay, so helping others makes us really special. Would you like to know about a boy who became very special? Yes, children, would you like to know about the boy?
Yes, teacher.
Then let us know about the boy who became very special. Take out your textbooks and open at page number 36. Do you find the picture on the page?
Yes, teacher.
Observe that picture carefully. Yes, children? Now tell me, what do you see in the picture? Raju?
A boy.
You can see
A
a boy. And Sohel?
A trees.
Trees. You see? Trees. Trees. Where do you find all these trees, children?
In a garden.
Okay, in a garden. In a garden. What else do you find? Look at the picture carefully. A boy is there and flowers are also there. Very good.
A small hut. Teacher.
A small hut is there.
Birds.
Birds are there. What is the bird doing?
Sitting. Singing.
It is sitting on the branch. Where is it sitting?
Sitting.
Yes. What do you think the bird is doing?
Singing.
Singing. It is
Singing.
singing. Singing. Do you know, children, what bird singing is called? Who knows? Okay, who tells? You tell me, Archana.
Cooing.
Cooing. Bird singing is called
Cooing.
cooing. You said there are some huts, no, in the picture.
Yes,
Just look into the picture, everyone. Why these huts are there? What could be the purpose of those huts, children? Do you know? Can you guess? చెప్పండి ఈ హట్స్ ఎందుకు పెట్టుంటారు ఇక్కడ హట్ లాగానే ఉంది అది ఓకే అది ఎందుకు పెట్టుంటారు చెప్పు పవిత్ర
Keep rice.
టు కీప్ రైస్
Teacher.
లావణ్య
Servant's house.
మేబీ ఇట్ ఈస్ అ సర్వెంట్స్ హౌస్ మేబీ టు కీప్
Store things.
maybe to store things. What do you call a place where you store things?
Teacher.
Yes?
Go down.
Go down. Very good. Go down. Now you people are going back and looking at the hut, but something else is also there. Just, yes?
Storeroom.
No, that of course go down is storeroom. Look into the picture, Archana. Look into the picture. And hut వెనకాల ఉంది హట్ కి ముందు ఒకటి ఉంది అది ఏంటి చెప్పండి చూడండి బాగా
Bungalow. Teacher.
బంగ్లో వెరీ గుడ్ దెర్ ఈస్ బంగ్లో నౌ లెట్ us have a look at the boy. He seems very special, doesn't he?
Yes, teacher.
What is he holding in the hands, children?
Teacher.
What is he holding?
Teacher.
Yes,
Guler.
guler. What do you call guler in English? Can anybody tell me?
Teacher.
Yes, I.
Catapult.
Catapult. Is it okay? Guler is called
Catapult.
catapult. What is he doing with the catapult?
Teacher.
What is he doing?
निशाना बना रहे टीचर.
Nishana bana rahe. Taking aim. What do you think he kept in that catapult?
Teacher.
Okay. You tell me.
A small stone.
A small stone. Yes, a small stone. Do you agree? You want to give another answer? Yes.
A pebble.
A pebble. A small stone is called a pebble. Very good. Yes, talking about birds. Now the boy is aiming at the bird. What do you think, children? Will this boy kill the bird or the bird will escape?
Kill the
Lavanya says the boy will kill the bird. What do you say, Pavitra?
bird ఎగురుకుంటూ వెళ్ళిపోయింది.
Yes, maybe the bird will fly away. Yes. What do you say, Pavan?
టీచర్ దెబ్బ తగిలి కింద పడిపోతాడు టీచర్.
Maybe the boy will miss the target. So maybe the boy will hit it, but it won't die. It will get hurt and maybe it will fall down. Okay. So there are chances that the bird will be alive. Bird will escape. Okay. Now let us see what actually happens to the bird. The boy and the catapult. Okay. Now all of you look into your books. You will read from the oddest fellow in my class. It's in line 1. Can you see?
ఎస్ టీచర్.
2. Please see here. There was a miner's nest. You will read from the oddest fellow in the class to there was a miner's nest. Is that clear? Now, please listen carefully. While reading, you will take out your pencils, underline the words which you understand, put a star mark on the words which you like, and there will be some words which you don't know, which you don't understand. What will you do with those words, you tell me?
Question.
Very good. You will put a question mark. Put a question mark on the words which you don't understand. Is that clear to all of you? Come on now. You people start reading. Slowly, silently, with your eyes, no fingers and no pencils moving across. Eye contact only.
He always had a candle in his hand and was excellent shooter.
While reading, you will try to find out who are the characters, and you will also try to find out what are the main events, and you will try to see what kind of a boy Bodhraj. And children, if you don't understand any words, please check the glossary that is given at the back of the lesson. There are meanings given for some words. Otherwise, you can also take help of the chart I am displaying here. There are some words here. You can also take help from the chart, or else you can look at the back of the lesson. Okay, try to answer these questions and read carefully now. You can also make use of the dictionary you have. Okay, if you still find some words are difficult that are not given at the back or that are not there on the chart, you please make use of the dictionaries you have. Okay. Notice. You read only up to minus nest, beta. Only up to here. That is a ventilator. Is ventilator. Yes. Yes, that's correct. Please carry on. Have you finished, children?
Yes, teacher.
Okay. Who is telling the story?
A boy.
A boy. What do you call a boy who is telling the story? Storyteller. And who is the oddest fellow in the storyteller's class? Wait. Please, no group answers. Yes, Sai?
Bodhraj.
Bodhraj. Who is the oddest fellow?
Bodhraj.
Bodhraj. You people know that the friends, storyteller's friends were afraid of Bodhraj. Why do you think they were afraid of Bodhraj?
Teacher, he always had a catapult.
He always had a catapult in his. Bodhraj had a catapult in his hands. He always had a catapult in his hands. What Bodhraj was aiming at all the time? What was his favorite target? Yes, Raju? Birds. Now, there are some birds